In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate Google Workspace Business Starter. If you're just getting started with Google's business tools and you want professional email, shared calendars, and cloud storage for your team, this is the plan you'll usually begin with. We'll go step by step so you can get your trial running smoothly, even if you've never set up Google Workspace before. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Workspace website. You can do this by typing Google Workspace pricing into your search engine and selecting the Google result that leads to the pricing page. Make sure you're on the real Google site and not a third-party reseller so that you're seeing the correct options and current promotions. On the pricing page, you'll see several plan options laid out, such as Business Starter, Business Standard, and possibly higher tiers. Take a moment to locate the Business Starter plan. This is usually the entry-level option designed for small teams and businesses that need custom email addresses and collaboration tools without a lot of advanced extras. Once you've found Business Starter, look for the button that lets you begin a trial. It might say something like Start Free Trial or Get Started. Click that button to begin the activation process. This trial gives you a chance to test the features, set up your domain, and see how it fits your workflow before your build. After clicking to start the trial, you'll be asked for some basic information about your business. This may include your business name, the number of employees, and the country or region where your business is located. Take your time and enter this information accurately. It helps Google customize some of the setup options and ensures your account is configured correctly from the start. Next, you'll either connect a domain you already own, or you'll be given the option to buy a new domain through Google. Your domain is what appears after the @ symbol in your email address. For example, if your domain is yourbusiness.com, your email might be you@yourbusiness.com. If you already have a domain, choose the option that lets you use your existing domain and carefully type it in. If you need a new one, you can search for an available domain and purchase it directly during this setup flow. Once your domain is set, you'll be prompted to create your primary admin account. This will be the main login for managing users, billing, and settings across your Google Workspace. Choose a professional username and a strong password, and make sure you store those details somewhere secure, since you'll use this account to access the admin console later. At this point, Google will guide you through a few on-screen prompts to verify your domain ownership. The exact steps will depend on where your domain is hosted, but typically you'll add a record in your domain's DNS settings. Just follow the instructions you see on screen. Verification might take a few minutes, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once your domain is verified, your Google Workspace Business Starter trial will be active. You can then sign in with your new admin account, access Gmail with your custom domain, and start exploring tools like Drive, Calendar, and Meet. From here, you can add team members, assign them email addresses, and fine-tune your settings in the admin console as you get ready to fully adopt Google Workspace for your business.